Drayton Manor have officially released one of the brand new attractions coming to Adventure Cove in 2021. So without no further ado, let's get straight into the video. So yes, one attraction has been announced that is definitely coming to the G4 site. That attraction is a play area and the name is Tidal Towers. So now I'll read some of the information that Drayton Manor have released and I'll share some pictures of this brand new play area coming to the area in 2021. Introducing Tidal Towers, the brand new attraction to Adventure Cove, opening soon. Your little ones will enjoy venturing across the rope bridges and climbing up to discover the views from the top of the towers before whizzing down the exhilarating slides. All while you relax in our seating area with tasty snacks from the all-new chicken hatch. More info coming soon. So there we go, that was the description that Drayton Manor released, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed that it wasn't a ride. However, there is another ride to be announced, and I have shared my thoughts on that in a different video, so go and check that out if you haven't. However, no official date has been released for the opening of these attractions, but from construction, I'd personally say sometime in June. The other ride hasn't even started construction yet, and of course, these two attractions are most likely to open as a pair. The foundations of the other ride look to be a wave swinger attraction, which would go really well in the area. However, this play area I think was much needed to Drayton Manor Park, as there are only a few play areas in the park, so this should help spread people out a little more. Also in this speech it mentions the chicken diner. At the time of recording, I'm not too sure whether this is an extension of the chicken diner, of course an existing restaurant at Drayton Manor, or a brand new separate restaurant or takeaway. A lot of enthusiasts are a little disappointed as it's not a new thrilling flat ride. However, at the end of the day, it's something new for the park, and this is just the start of the Looping Group's investment plan, and we don't know what they have up their sleeve for the future. But yeah, this play area really does brighten up the surrounding area of Adventure Cove and will really fit with the theme. So there we go, Tidal Towers, brand new for Drayton Manor in 2021. What do you think to Tidal Towers? Let me know in the comment section down below, and if you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.